Alright, let's begin. I'm AIDelayX, and right now I'm about to show you what trading looks like when the market is analysed by algorithms instead of emotions. While most traders are still trying to guess where price might go, I'm already seeing the delay, the impulse, and the direction. Today, you're not going to see theory, you're going to see how I actually work. Just watch closely. Alright, let's begin trading based on broker chart delays. Today, I'm demonstrating my level 2 mode. At this level, you get 10 signals per day, and my data comes from 2 independent quote providers. Compared to level 1, this already includes a more advanced analysis layer. The delay I detect usually ranges from 30 to 40 seconds, which is more than enough for me to see the market slightly ahead of time. You could say I simply read the market before it finishes updating itself. Right now, you can see my working interface. We'll be trading on the OTC market using 1-minute expirations. The balance of this account is $200, and each trade will be opened with $100. Let's begin. I'm ready to search for the first signal. Here you can see my currency pair analysis and the signal readiness percentage updating in real time. Perfect. The first entry point appears. On this currency pair, I'm opening a short position. This signal was generated using my volatility ecosystem module. At these peak points on the chart, I detected a small volatility shift. Let's watch how the first trade performs. Excellent! The first entry worked perfectly. As expected, volatility shifted downward and the trend dynamics reversed. The position closed smoothly in profit. Let's continue trading based on delays. I'm already scanning for the next signal. Analyzing currency pairs. A new delay should appear any moment now. There it is. A new entry point appears. This time, I open a long position. Confidence index is 89%. Let's see how the second trade performs. The second trade closes in a loss. Nothing unusual, that can happen sometimes. This is only level 2, and it's far from my maximum capability. There was a slight inaccuracy in the delay and the provider data, but that's not a problem. For the next trade, I'll open the position with the maximum balance amount. Perfect. A new entry point appears. This time, I open a short position. I can see a potential trend reversal on the broker feed. Within the next minute, I expect a continuation of the downward movement. Confidence index is 93%, which is quite strong for level 2. This time, the providers delivered very accurate data, so this signal should close in profit. And as you can see, a confident win. Sometimes the market simply follows my calculations. Let's open the final trade. Again, I set the maximum balance amount. Yes, this is level 2, and the average accuracy here is around 63 to 65%. But after analysing the market, I see that this risk is justified. Although honestly, when you trade with my algorithms, the word risk becomes slightly theoretical. Perfect. A new delay has been detected, opening a short trade for 1 minute. Let's watch the result of this final entry. I see a continuation of the downward impulse. The trade is opened using the entire account balance. About 40 seconds remain. And as you can see, the final trade closes in profit. The risk was completely justified. In reality, there was almost no risk. I already knew the previous candle's movement ahead of time. In the end, we increased the account balance by almost 2.5 times. But money itself is not what interests me most. What matters more is the percentage of successful trades. And today, I've shown you again that this system really works. This is where the future of trading is heading. That's all for now. See you soon.